Hello friends, so now we are going to start with the rights of children. So Government of India has provided with the 10 rights of the children which the children has when they are born in India. So let's get started with the rights of children. So the first right says the right of affection, love and understanding. Means a child has all the rights to have love and have affection and understanding. Okay, so every parent should be affectionate to their children, they should provide love and they should understand their children. Okay, the second right of the children says right to enjoy social security, housing, nutrition and medical care. Means if there is a child, he has a social security, means he should be socially bound, means he should be given the security to the child should be given, housing should be provided to the child, nutrition should be provided and medical care should be provided to the child. It is his right, you cannot take it from him. He should not be deprived of the things. Right to free education means the government provides free education up to the class 8th or 10th, you might be knowing. So that is the right to free education that every child has. Right to full opportunity for play and recreation means every child has the right to play and recreate, means the child should not be indulged in any of the like child labor and things, the mal things which the child are all usually involved in, which are prohibited by the government. You know why? Because of this right only. So right to full opportunity for play and recreation. The next right is right to name and nationality, means if a child is born at a particular place, the child should be given that name of that country. Means there are some people who go outside of the country and they are born in Canada or somewhere else, so that Canada say that the person becomes a Canadian. So what is that? The right to name and nationality, the child get the nationality of that area. Child to special care and if handicapped, the child has all the rights of special care if the child is handicapped, that there are special schools for these children, you might be knowing, and special treatments which they get. Okay, so right to be among the first to receive a relief at the time of disaster. So here if just assume if there is an earthquake, so first if a child is there, he will be rescued and then later on the other adults which are there. So child is the first one which should be getting the relief first. Okay, child right to learn to be a useful member of the society, develop individual abilities, means the child has all the rights to become a future member of the society and he has all the rights to learn how it should be. Okay, the next right says right to be brought up in the spirit of understanding, tolerance, peace, universal brotherhood, means from the birth itself the child should not be taught of the enemy, what are enemies and everything. The child should be taught of understanding, that he has to understand the other people around him, he should have tolerance within him, he should have peace and he should be universal brotherhood, means he should not think that this country is my enemy, I have to kill those persons. These kinds of thoughts should not be told to the child and should be provided with the peaceful environment so that we can make a peaceful world. Right to enjoy these rights regardless of race, color, sex, religion, national and social origin, means every child irrespective of where he is born, which religion he belongs to, which color he has, which nationality he has all the rights to enjoy all the other rights. So you understand, these are all the rights which are there for the children. So if you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you.